Everyone, hello. I have a big update. All right, we are live on TikTok, we're live on Facebook and YouTube. I have a big update for everyone. Hello and welcome on in. Welcome on in. I am Tanya Lawrence, the blockchain queen. I got some news that you absolutely need to know. I'm going to make sure I don't get any vibrations waiting for a few people to join us. Um, Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. Tell me in the chat where you're joining me from because I have some updates that are happening within the next 20 minutes. Major updates in the crypto space that you need to know about. So stay tuned. Um, Give me just a few minutes here, trying to make sure a few more people that were jumping on are able to jump on. All right. And it's go time. So today at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that is in just a few minutes, about 15 minutes here in the US, there is going to be a big moment for all the people who currently hold crypto, for people who are looking at crypto and just were like, okay, I need to know what's going to happen in this space before I make a decision to move forward. I am Tanya Lawrence, the blockchain queen, been in this crypto space, retired investment banker for 17 years, retired. In the last 8 years, I've been learning about blockchain technology, crypto, and teaching people around the globe about crypto. And today, a major development is happening in the crypto space. The President of the United States, new AI and crypto czar David Sachs, excuse me, is hosting a press conference. And this press conference is major to all of us because they're going to be talking about the United States position on digital assets and how they're going to position the United States to be a leader in this space globally. What that means for all of us is that we now will have a framework for what we can do to position ourselves in this cryptocurrency space. Now, thank you, QuakeBox. Appreciate that. Guys, if you are still someone who needs to learn about crypto, you still got a little butterflies in your stomach, go ahead and type crypto below. I'm going to make sure I take care of you. My specialty is education and making sure that people are comfortable in this space and I'm walking them through this process step by step. What the government, the US government announces today at 2:30 will directly impact everyone globally because the country is trying to position itself as the global leader in the cryptocurrency space, and you need to make sure that you are aligned with what the US government is going to do and how they're positioning themselves in the cryptocurrency space. So if you're just joining us, I see that the tallies are going up today at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. In about 15 minutes, the United States government is having David Sachs, who is the new Hey, Tristan, explaining now. David Sachs, who is the new AI and cryptocurrency czar for the United States, will be hosting a press conference. In that press conference, he's going to talk about what the United States position is on digital assets. The reason why you need to be informed, the reason why you need to care about this information, because if you are an investor, if you are looking to learn how to invest in crypto, you need to know how the United States government, is planning to position us to be a superpower. Hey, Kathy. Thank you for the hookup, Kathy. I am sharing the information with everybody else. So this press conference is happening in 15 minutes. Some of the things that they're going to discuss in this press conference, of course, will be digital assets, how the United States government is going to position themselves, how you should position yourself. And again, if you are new, type crypto. I will make sure I get in contact with you. My specialty is teaching people what cryptocurrency is. Only buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are safe. That is partially true, QuakeBox, but I can help anyone who needs to learn more. How you position yourself to be in a position to have a diversified portfolio that is in alignment with what the government is planning to do. Okay. You want to be in alignment with what the United States government, investors, banks, what all the institutional investors are doing, you want to be in alignment with that, and I can help you with that. So, one major thing is that they're going to discuss the US's national digital stockpile. It's a new initiative from Trump to have cryptocurrency as a part of our reserve. Okay. So the government is buying US based cryptocurrencies. And so we need to understand exactly what their intention is with these US based cryptocurrencies so we can follow suit. Also, they're going to be clarifying, or they're supposed to clarify their position on Bitcoin going into the United States Reserve. We know that other states in the union have already determined that they are adding Bitcoin as a part of their state's reserve. And so what we want to do what we want to do is make sure that we are in alignment. And so this information at 2:30 is going to be crucial to that. So make sure you're watching the news at 2:30. And if you aren't able to watch the news at 2:30, jump onto my website, www.tanyalawrence.net. TonyALawrence. I will be doing a full recap tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with not only what was said on the news, but also how to position yourself strategically. All right. Yeah, this is on my computer. Sorry, John, this is on my computer, and I got three other devices up, so I didn't have a mic for everything. All right. And so positioning yourselves is a big part of what we're doing. Number three is putting together a strategic plan for cryptocurrency overall. So, again, it's not just about having one coin, Bitcoin, which will most likely be a part of the US government's national reserve. It's also about the other US based coins that they will be using in different aspects of what happens. So, this is like being in a board meeting with people saying, okay, we are about to put 5 to 10 companies on the New York Stock Exchange. And this is how we're strategically planning to move forward and invest in these companies. And you're able to be at the table during that board meeting. And my role in this, as Tanya Lawrence, the blockchain queen, is to help you understand exactly how you benefit from what the US government is doing and positioning themselves in this cryptocurrency space, and how you too can position yourself. Um, so we're going to look at the strategic vision that the new czar is putting together, how it's going to impact the US, and more importantly, how you and your family are able to benefit from this new strategic position. So again, if you are new to the crypto space and you're still saying, I don't understand this, type crypto in the chats. I will make sure I get in contact with you, because I will be watching the press conference at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then I will do a call outlining how all of this information impacts each one of us tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in my inner circle that I have. It's a community of like-minded people that come together to learn about crypto, and I will be going over a plan to help everyone benefit from what the United States government is going to announce today at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on their live broadcast. So again, type crypto in the chats. I will get with you. I will make sure you have the information to follow up tonight, because that will not be a live broadcast, because we're going to be talking strategies based on what the government is doing. I want you to be able to benefit. So type crypto in the chats, and I will get with you to make sure that you're able to get the connections for tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, when I, Tanya Lawrence, the blockchain queen, goes over what the government has stated today in just a few minutes, 10 more minutes till the live broadcast. I'll be taking copious notes, putting this into a strategic plan for how you are able to move forward and add these currencies that the US government will have in their portfolio to your portfolio, how you set it up, how you are able to strategically grow your portfolio to make sure that you and your family are covered for generations to come. So I'm really excited about this. This is something that we've been waiting for. We are in perfect alignment astrologically with how the planets are aligned for new things, including finance, digital currency to start moving forward and taking off. Plus, we are in a very unique time where we have the President of the United States, the House, the Senate, the SEC, everyone in alignment with wanting to see the cryptocurrency space grow and develop, and for blockchain technology to be the next version of the internet, Web 3.0. So I teach people how to position themselves, how to make sure, number one, that they have a portfolio that's growing, that's earning money, but most importantly, that you are learning about this technology, learning about cryptocurrency, learning about blockchain technology, so you can take this information and incorporate it into your current business. You can also develop technologies to assist your current business so that you're staying ahead of the curve. That is my goal. That's my passion. As an investment banker that facilitated financing for businesses, I see and I understand when new things are happening. I was a huge part of many of the major solar projects that you see around the country being developed and implemented back in the Obama administration and putting that financing and structuring together. And so here we are in a time where blockchain technology and cryptocurrency is going to change the world. And I'm going to help anyone that's interested, that wants to learn how to position themselves. I'm going to help you get there, whether it's as an individual investor or having a company that you're able to develop that's going to grow and develop with this change in technology. So again, send me my screen payments keep popping up. Send me, type crypto in the chat. I will make sure I connect with you and that we will get you taken care of and educated in this crypto space, and make sure you're available to join us tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I go over the strategic strategy on how we're going to all benefit from this space. Have a great one, guys. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Tanya Lawrence, the Blockchain Queen, signing out.